know your rights. It's time now for Legal Point. Now your host, Carrie Kasem.
Welcome to Legal Point. Like the man said, I'm Carrie Kasem. Today, I have elder law attorney Dennis Toman. He's the founder of the ElderLaw Firm in Greensboro, North Carolina. Dennis currently serves on board of directors of the North Carolina chapter of the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys. Thank you, Dennis, for being on the show today.
Well, it's wonderful to be here.
Now, I had the power of attorney over my father. He signed over when he first got wrongly diagnosed with Parkinson's. He ended up having Lewy body dementia. But when he realized that this is what he had, he decided to sign over just the power of attorney over health. Not money, not estate, had nothing to do with that. It was just so my sister, who has she's a physician's assistant, so she did palliative care, end of life care, and my dad wanted her to help make the decisions. And then it was me, and then it went down to my brother, and he was a little afraid his wife would find out, so we did it, but we didn't do it. We had lawyers draw it up, but we didn't do it in front of a lawyer. We did it at a UPS store in Hollywood because he was so afraid that if anything got out, his wife would find out. And it helped us in court, but she trumped us with something that she says he signed. So what is the best way to go about doing that? Getting a POA? Yeah,
well, the best way to do it is to talk with a good, experienced elder law attorney, probably a certified elder law attorney. And the reason for that is because it's just not a matter of having a power of attorney. It's a matter of having the right power of attorney.
Yes.
And so often the powers of attorney that I see become powerless just when they're needed the most. And when I talk about having a powerful power of attorney, what I'm talking about is the document. And I had this one situation where this lady came up after a talk I gave one time, and she said, "Dennis, I heard everything you said about having a powerful power of attorney, and I agree, I need to have a powerful power of attorney, but my son's my power of attorney, and he's not that powerful." Oh. And so we both had a little chuckle because she realized after she said that, well, that we're talking about the document itself. The person is important, of course. Yes. Have to have the right person, someone who is completely trustworthy. But it's the document, having that right document, and then, as you mentioned, having the execution done properly as well, so that it's signed in front of witnesses according to the state's requirements under the law.